The nutrition we already started. The nutrients are carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins and minerals. We will discuss all the nutrients in detail. So first we study the carbohydrates. Carbohydrates, as the name given the component of it, the carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. The carbohydrates are the compound of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. They are the energy giving compound. They produce the energy on oxidation. In carbohydrates, the percentage of hydrogen and oxygen is 2:1. For example, the glucose formula is C6H12O6. The sugar formula is C12H22O11. So the percentage of hydrogen and oxygen is in the ratio of 2:1. That divided into two categories, the sugar and the starch, or we can say it is divided into the carbohydrate classified as monosaccharide, disaccharide and polysaccharide. So these are the three groups of carbohydrate: monosaccharide, disaccharide and polysaccharide. The mono and disaccharide are grouped under the sugar. So the one sugar is there, one monomer is there, it is called monosaccharide. Two monomer combine and form the disaccharide. Many monosaccharide combine and form the polysaccharide. One monomer is there, monosaccharide. Two monomer combine and form disaccharide. Many monosaccharide form the polysaccharide. The monosaccharide and disaccharide, they both are the sugar. So the monosaccharide we discuss now. Monosaccharide, they are the simple sugar. They are called the simple sugar. They are soluble in water and no need to digestion. No need to digestion. Means they are not broken down in the digestive tract, in the alimentary canal. It is absorbed as such in the form of monosaccharide in the blood and body cells. So the monosaccharide is the simple sugar. The general formula of the monosaccharide is C6H12O6. They are no need to digestion. They absorb direct in the blood. There are three examples of the monosaccharides sugar. Number 1, glucose. Number 2, fructose. And number 3 is galactose. The glucose, it is normally known as grape sugar. The formula is the same, C6H12O6. Formula same, known as grape sugar, and is in the common and simplest sugar found in the organism. When we say the blood sugar, that is the glucose. So it is the sugar, the form of the sugar that found in the blood. So the glucose level, when we say in blood, means the blood sugar, that is the glucose in the blood. The second one, that is the fructose. It is commonly called the fruit sugar. These three are the simple sugar, monosaccharide. I already told no need to digestion of these sugar. And the third one, that is the another type of sugar found in the milk. So it is called the milk sugar. The monosaccharide, number one glucose, fructose and galactose. The general formula is C6H12O6. Now the disaccharide. The next group of sugar is disaccharide. Disaccharide. The disaccharide is a general formula C12H22O11. Either the monosaccharide or disaccharide, the composition, the ratio of the hydrogen and oxygen is always 2:1. They are often divided into three categories, or there are three categories. They also the monosaccharide no need to digestion, but the disaccharide they need digestion. General formula this one. The example of disaccharide, number one, the sucrose is there. Sucrose, that is called common sugar. Common sugar or commercial sugar. Commercial sugar that we use at home. It is mainly extracted from either the sugar beet or sugar cane. The sources to extract the sucrose is sugar beet and the sucrose. It is double sugar. It is double sugar. Why we call the double sugar? Because it is made up of two monosaccharide. On digestion, it form the, or we can say it is made up of, or after digestion it change into or convert into or the breakdown into glucose and fructose. Now second disaccharide, the disaccharide we are discussing. The examples are sucrose, we already discussed. Now the maltose. The maltose commonly called the malt sugar. Commonly called the malt sugar. It is made up of two molecules of glucose. When it is broken down, it converts or produces two molecules of glucose. The second one is this one. The first one is sucrose. Now the third one is lactose. The lactose, that is called milk sugar. Milk sugar on digestion, on breakdown, it produces two monomer, that is glucose and galactose. So these are the disaccharide. Sucrose is there, maltose is there and the lactose. Now we discuss the polysaccharide or starch and glycogen. A simple recap of the topic. The nutrients are the proteins, fat, vitamins and mineral and the carbohydrate also. The carbohydrates are the compound of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. The hydrogen and oxygen are in the ratio of 2:1. The carbohydrate divided into three categories. Third we discuss later. The monosaccharide that is made up that are no need to digestion. They are simply goes to the blood or absorbed by the blood and cells. There are three types: glucose, fructose, and galactose. The glucose, that is popularly known the grape sugar, and the fructose, that is called the fruit sugar, and the galactose, that is simple sugar found in the milk. The disaccharide simple formula is C12H22O11. The maltose is called malt sugar, that is made up of two molecules of glucose. The lactose, that is called milk sugar, that is formed by the one molecule glucose and galactose. The sucrose, that is commercial sugar, the sugar that we use at home. It is extracted from the sugar cane and the sugar beet. It is made up of glucose and fructose. The next category of carbohydrate is polysaccharide. The polysaccharide are insoluble in water. They are insoluble in water. The general formula of the polysaccharide is C6H10O5 that is many molecules of monomer combine and form the polysaccharide. The first example is starch. It is the storage form in plant. The storage form of carbohydrate in plants. The plant stores the carbohydrate in the form of starch. It is found in the grains and potatoes, etc. The starch, other than starch, the two polysaccharides are also there. They are also the insoluble in water. The next one is cellulose. The cellulose that is found in the cell wall, in the wall of the cell, that is a cell wall made up of cellulose. And in the body, in our body, the cellulose constitute the fibers or roughage. We call it the roughage. Yani roughage of fibers is actually the cellulose. It is needed for the proper functioning of the gut. It is not digested in our body. It is not soluble. It is insoluble in water, but it is important for the proper functioning of alimentary canal. And the third one is glycogen. That is the storage food animal in animal. The glycogen in the carbohydrate or the stored food in the animals is glycogen. It is stored in the animals in the liver and muscles. So storage form of the glycogen food in the animal is glycogen, or the carbohydrate is glycogen. When it is needed, convert into glucose and provide the energy. So the polysaccharide are of three kinds: starch, cellulose and glycogen.